One of the things that's really important when you're completed your countertop and you're finished with pouring and placing the material is you want to make sure that the back side, since ours are a reverse cast, this is the back side of the countertop, we want to make sure that the back side of the countertop is flat and smooth. It's just going to make installing the countertops much easier. I see people a lot of the times, they just pour it and kind of leave it alone, and then they have high spots and low spots, so when they go to install the countertops, it just becomes much more difficult to install them. So one of the things I like to do is I like to get a little bit of water, and I like to kind of broadcast it onto the surface, and I'll take a trowel or a float, and just, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not, trying to finish a concrete floor or anything like that, but we want it to be kind of flat and smooth so it makes your install easier. Okay, one of the things that's really important once you're completely done pouring your countertop, and it's best practice for pouring countertops out of our material, is you want to completely cover the countertop with either plastic, if it's in the summer months, or even in the winter time when it starts to get colder, you can use blankets. But the idea behind this is things are going to actually cure out more evenly, so you have kind of your moisture trapped on the top and the bottom of the countertop, so it's going to cure out evenly. And you're also helping trap that moisture in, so it cures out stronger, and it also traps the heat in, so it's actually going to increase the set time for your countertops, so you'll be able to pop them out of the mold a lot quicker when they're covered with plastic.